Karen.
Hello, I'm Kelvin, and welcome to our home.
I found Aqila's the interior lab through Facebook, and after going through a few of the renovation companies, I realized the interior lab was quite credible. I looked through the pictures and I thought that they looked very good. We spoke to a few other renovation company and decided to go with Aqila because we felt comfortable with her as well. Yeah, so our design expectation for the house when we decided we wanted to renovate the place was we wanted a Scandinavian Nordic look, something that was clean, not too cluttered.
Some of the important considerations we made with regards to the design and the layout for the renovation, wanted to have a place where we could also basically host gatherings for friends and family, have our living room extended, right? So that we would be able to accommodate basically guests or gatherings. A separate room dedicated for for gaming or chilling out, watching TV. In terms of the renovation process itself, we had a few considerations. Number one was that because the renovation was very extensive, so there was no way we could basically stay in here while the renovation was. So we actually had to find a rental unit in the meantime while the renovation was going on. So otherwise, I would incur additional costs for rental. Renovation started towards late May, and basically our requirement was that we needed the home to be handed over back to us before National Day. And the interior lab managed to keep to this schedule. We were able to basically move back in before our rental lease was up.
As to expectations, yes, I think the interior lab did meet our expectations. We were actually really pleased with the outcome. The proposal or the design and the communication part, everything went smoothly. It was not much of a hitch. And I hear stories about renovations and from people who go through like nightmares about their contractors and then things don't get done properly and then they hold back on payment. But our experience with the interior lab was really very smooth. I didn't really have to worry much about things. Aqila kept open communication with us. She provided the schedule to us on when the things will be done or at what stage these things will be taken care of. And yeah, we are pleasantly pleased with this.
Yeah. Quality, the workmanship, and more importantly, I think the complete look and design is very consistent. In fact, it's almost the same as what was basically initially rendered to in the drawing that was rendered to us.
We wanted to keep things away because after staying here for about 15 years, we realized we had a lot of things and we wanted to declutter as well. But at the same time, we didn't want things to be placed so visibly around. So we needed storage, and that was one of our concerns when we spoke to Aqila about the design.
Professionalism of basically Aqila and the entire TIL and your contractor team, I think we are very, very pleased with the outcome. Hard to choose just one place because I think the major parts, we like the kitchen a lot. I think my wife loves the design and the outcome and how it looks. My son loves the layout of his room. It used to be very cluttered. And the two bathrooms, the master bath as well as the common bath. I think it's really, to us, we feel it's like hotel standard.
I would recommend TIL to anyone who's doing renovation, whether it's major or minor, because I feel that they are a very professional team.
I think an important consideration for choosing the ID firm, and I think overall TIL has also basically delivered on its promise.